Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First thing first, let me introduce myself. My name is Nadila Mustafa Lasara with the student ID number 022. On this occasion, as the representative of Afghanistan, I will explain the profile of the Afghan state in detail. Afghanistan is a developing country but also a poor country. Afghanistan is a country where the majority of the people are Muslims. The official name of Afghanistan is the Afghanistan Jamhuriyat or Pashto and then Islamic Republic of Afghanistan. Afghanistan is landlocked or has no access to the sea, located in Central Asia. Afghanistan is about 250,001 square miles. States that surrounds Afghanistan are Pakistan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, and Iran. The climate of Afghanistan ranges from semi-arid or late annual rainfall to arid or almost no annual rainfall, with wide variation in temperature both between seasons and between different times of day. Its summers are hot and dry, but its winters are bitterly cold. Most of lands in Afghanistan are so dry because Afghan has a lack of rain. Afghan is also often suffer from earthquake every year. The highest point in Afghanistan is Nosing at 7,485 meters that have a limited supply of water. The population of Afghanistan is 29,287. Afghanistan has 4 ethnic. There are Pashtun, Tajik, Uzbek, and Hazara. Official language in Afghanistan is Parsi from Pashtun. Other language that people in Afghanistan usually use are Uzbek and Turkish. There are 14 big cities in Afghanistan. There are Kabul, Kandahar, Herat, Mazar-i-Sharif, Kunduz, Jalalabad, Lashkargah, Talukan, Puli-Humri, Khost, Seberhan, Sharikar, Ghazni, and Seripol. Citizens in Afghanistan openly suffer from war and women there are feeling unsafe. The mountains surrounding Kabul, the capital of Afghanistan, were affected by the air and dust above the city. So people who live near the capital must meet the environment of high emission. The quality of fuel used by many homes and business has also warned this condition, forcing citizens to continue wearing masks when they are indoors. Afghanistan was founded on April 21, 1709. The government system of Afghanistan is Republic Islamic. People who have been the head of state are Burhanuddin Rabbani, Hamid Karzai, and Ashraf Ghani. Afghanistan has 200,000 soldiers and also has states that cooperate with them. The GDP of Afghanistan is 18.63 USD billion. Natural resources of Afghanistan are oil, natural gas, coal, fossils, weapons, and various of things. The currency is Afghani. The export goods are opium, fruits, nuts, Afghan carpet, wool, cotton, animal skins, and kingston, while the import goods are machine tools, food, oil, textile, petroleum, and etc.
Actually, this war started around 2001, at which time there was a bombing in a building belonging to the United States. The tragedy was called 9/11. At that time, the perpetrator named Osama bin Laden, who was the leader of Al-Qaeda, fled and hid in the Taliban, until finally America invaded the Taliban until the Taliban collapsed. But it turns out that the Taliban rose again with a stronger force and managed to control 70% of Afghanistan territory in 2018. This conflict called Operational Freedom Sentinel has continued for years until it was called Endless Severing by the head of the Afghanistan delegation. At the time, Afghanistan became the puppet state of the United States. The Afghan army was trying to fight the Taliban. This conflict did not find a bright spot until in 2015, the president of Afghanistan, Hamid Karzai. This conflict did not find a bright spot until in 2015, the president of Afghanistan, Hamid Karzai, felt that he did not accept the raising of the Taliban flag. It has eroded his authority as president of Afghanistan by the Taliban. In In that same year, the negotiation process between the Afghan government and the Taliban militant group was not released due to the news of the death of Mullah Omar, a Taliban leader. Then, negotiation resumed in 2019. The negotiation between the United States and the Taliban lasted for 6 days. In this negotiation discussed major issues such as ceasefire. Initially, the Taliban did not want to meet with the Afghan government because they thought that Afghanistan was just a puppet of the American state. Until 2020, there are final points of agreement such as the withdrawal of American and NATO troops from Afghanistan a period of 14 months, and then the commitment of the Taliban to prevent Al-Qaeda and other international extreme groups in the territory. And then the UN Security Council on 29 May 2020 reduction the number of troops by closing several existing bases in the same period of 14 months. The gradual release of prisoners from both sides, and then the commitment of the United States not to use force against Afghanistan's territorial integration, and etc. The existence of this negotiation is also a form of Afghanistan's role in realizing peace.
Okay, I think that's all for now and bye-bye.